Greetings, dear friends, and welcome to this peaceful discussion, a celebration of the serenity that envelops us all. Today, we shall delve into the depths of protecting our peace, the peace that transcends all understanding. Imagine, if you will, a serene lake nestled among the mountains, its waters sparkling in the sun's gentle rays. The surrounding scenery is breathtaking, the air pure and fresh, the lake is calm and peaceful, a haven of tranquility. This serene lake, my friends, represents the peace that we all seek. It is the peace that comes from within, the peace that is not subject to the changing winds of life's storms. Yet, just as the serene lake can be disturbed by outside forces, our inner peace can be disrupted by the world around us. The scriptures remind us of the importance of protecting our peace, for it is written in Philippians 4:7, "And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus." With these seeds of wisdom in mind, let us explore the steps we can take to protect our peace. Step 1. Cultivate mindfulness. Just as the serene lake is always present, so too must we be present in the moment. We must learn to be mindful of our thoughts and feelings, without judgment or attachment. As it is written in Colossians 3:15, "Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts, for as members of one body you are called to peace." Step number 2, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can shift our perspective and help us maintain a peaceful state of mind. We must take the time to appreciate the blessings in our lives and express gratitude for them. As stated in Philippians 4:6, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." Step number 3, let go of attachment. Just as the serene lake does not cling to the rocks that line its shores, so too must we let go of attachment to things that do not serve our highest good. We must release our grip on negative thoughts, people, and situations that disrupt our peace. As it is written in Isaiah 26:3, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you." Dear friends, protecting our peace requires mindfulness, gratitude, and detachment. By cultivating these qualities, we can maintain the calm, serene state that brings us inner peace. Let us take inspiration from the serene lake and remember the words of Jesus in John 14:27, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid." To help us spread these seeds of hope, please like and share this video with others. Subscribe to our videos and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future messages. Feel free to leave your comments or questions below as we look forward to hearing from you. May your days be filled with peace that surpasses all understanding. Stay blessed.